दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
So dear friends, namaste. In this class we will solve exercise 11.2 question number 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is equal to 75 degree and AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. So dear friends, this type of questions used to make first of all rough diagram. BC, this is the base. Angle B, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Angle B, this is angle B. It is 75 degree. And then AB plus AC. A is the point. This is the first centimeter, first information. BC is equal to first information, angle, this one angle, second information, and the third information, it may be of another side, it may be of another angle, but the third information is BC. The third information is in a form of addition of two sides. Angle B is equal to 75 degree. So this is called base and one of the base angle, angle B. And you have to find A. Where is A? A such that AB and AC. You have to find the point A. Find point A. Point A. Two informations are given. The third information is AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. This one. So overall the informations are given 3. In my earlier video, the link is given in the description. I have told you the concept of try informations in triangle, in whole the mathematics. You can see that video. So 3 informations in triangle, whatever you have read, 3 informations are required. Just like ASA, 3 informations, one side and 2 angles. So this is just like the side is given and angle is given, side and angle. This is BC side and angle B is equal to 75. If we know another angle, we can make the triangle. If we know this angle, we can make the triangle. But sometimes things are different. Okay. So the third condition is given. The third condition is given in this form. AB plus AC is equal to this. So here, we will use 2 types of theorem. This I have made here. This is perpendicular bisector theorem. In chapter number 11, this is given construction 11.2. Page number 190. Construction 11.2. How to draw perpendicular bisector. And it is proved also in your book. Page number 190. Perpendicular bisector. Suppose you have a line segment AB and you draw perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector XY is the perpendicular bisector. Means this is 90 degree and this is bisected. Suppose this is M for midpoint. So this is 90 degree and this is bisector. All these points which lies on this line, will be equidistant from the A and B. Will be equidistant. Means, suppose I may point here, this point here. Suppose I may here AB, P. So what will be PA is equal to PB. If I will keep here Q, so this is QA is equal to QB. If I will take any point here, R, this is RA is equal to RB. This will be equal. So this just it appears to be, kite. In kite, this type of things happen. Kite, only one diagonal is bisected and other diagonals is not bisected. Just like PARB is in kite, and you will see this is I have given a video about the kite also, kite concept. So perpendicular bisectors means you may have all the points which are equidistant from both the point A and B. Yes, perpendicular bisectors. Sometimes this is also used, this concept is used here also. What? This is what? This is theorem 7.2 and 7.3, page number 120 in your book. Theorem about the isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangles, two sides are equal, opposite angles from to this side also equal. This angle equal to this one. As it appears, this, this happens also. If this is equal to this one, so opposite angle, this angle is equal to this one. What about the third angle? If the third side is less than this one equal, so angle will be less. If the third side is greater, then the angle will be greater. And if all the angles are equal, means angles are equal, then this side will be also equal, means equilateral triangle. So this is also applied here. This is in theorem. It is given in theorem. You will see this one, chapter number, page number 190. Okay, so we will use this theorem or this theorem, both are same, almost same, perpendicular bisector concept. And question is very easy. What? The third point, the two informations are given, SA. The third A, sometimes S, this is also S, this is also S. So S, S, S. Sometimes angle A and S. This also open. You are seeing, you just see it, three informations only. The three information I have given. So first of all, we will draw the base BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So now let's construct. Sometimes this distance is very lengthy. So you should take your page such that 13 centimeter you may draw 13 centimeter. So on the low side, last of the page, so that 13 centimeter can be drawn. So first BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So draw BC is equal to 7 centimeter. B and C is equal to, suppose this is 7 centimeter. So side has been done. Angle A is equal to 30 centimeter. Then you can use your compass and protractor also, both. So I will use here my protractor, 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Means $30, and then what? A point will be here, na? So 30 degree. Draw 30 degree. Yes. This is a ray whose angle is 30 degree. This. Then BC, you have to find point A. The point A is such that on this line, means point A, AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Means BC you have found out, you have found A point will be on this line such that AB and AC. So how to fold? Actually the question is just like, look it in my hand. This was the rod or any string. I have to make fold so that to make a triangle. So the condition is given, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So this is suppose 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. I have already cut. After that, I will make a 30 degree here. I will bend 30 degrees such that, okay, now I have to make a point such that means if I will bend from here, no, it will not touch. Means this is the point A, it should touch the point C. How to bend? Yes, there must be a point. If I will touch from here, no, C will not cut the C. If I will take here, suppose I will take here this, so this may touch, but it is again less. If I will fold from here, so it may be more than the C, it may be more than the C. If I will, this is, so where is the point such that when I will fold it, it will cut? So no worry, don't worry about that. So this is B, take a point here 13 centimeter, means first make your this limited. So I will cut a point here 13 centimeter. So take a of your scale 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter and then cut. This is 13 centimeter. Because my centimeter is more, so don't compare actual figure, because 7 centimeter will be very difficult to see you. So that's why I have taken large distances. In inch, I have taken in inch. Okay, 7 centimeter. This is, I have cut a line segment. This was the ray. I have cut, and this is AX. This is point X. So here, we have got our this point. This is 7 centimeter and we have got this point. Now I have to fold such that it will touch. How to fold? So story begins from here. If you will try only, so ultimately you can find, but don't try. Use mathematics. What? First joint it. First joint it. This. Or you may take X point here. No, you may take D point also. It is given in your book, D point, and take X here, BX. Draw a line ray BX and point D. So you may take any point D. So what you will do now, you will apply this perpendicular bisector concept. What? Perpendicular bisectors means you have to bend a point now. So you will point such that this length and this length will be equal. A point such that this and this. Where to find? This and this will be equal. So how to find this point A? How to find this point A? So I don't know, but we know the 2 points. So get all the points which are equidistant. Get all the points which are equidistant from these 2 points. Means perpendicular bisector. These align and bisector will be aligned. It will cut a point. Here you will get this point equal to this. Means the 2 points you are given A, B, you have to perpendicular bisectors. All the points which are equidistant from this point and this point. So perpendicular bisector, you know very well from the class 6. Take any distance more than half and make an arc here, an arc here. Then same distance, make arc here. And in construction you will write only draw a perpendicular bisector. You will not draw you will not write in construction step this. This one. You know, on this point you have drawn a perpendicular bisector. On this point all the points will be equidistant from this and this. So it cuts at this point. It cuts at this point. So this is the point A, such that AD when you fold it na, AD, as I have shown you in the figure, this one. This is the base angle, this is the 30 degree, and you have found a point such that when you will fold it, it will make a circle, it will make a triangle, which is required 30 degree, this one. So this is the point A. Now join. So on this point, on this line, all the points are equidistant from D and C. So this. So actually AD is equal to AC, means the same thing has been turned here. So AB and AC, actual earlier was AB plus AD is equal to 13 centimeter. AB plus AD total was 13 centimeter. Now this part has been turned to the AC. This is the point A. So this is the construction. And how we'll write steps of construction? As we have done. Steps of construction, right? First, draw base BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Second, draw angle B is equal to 30 centimeter. Comma, ray BX. Draw BX ray such that or angle B is equal to 30 centimeter. After that, cut an arc BD. Cut an arc BD is equal to 13 centimeter. So BD is equal to 13 centimeter. This BD is equal to 13 centimeter. Join D to the C and get perpendicular bisector of DC. Perpendicular bisector of DC. This is A, or you may write X dash, Y dash, X dash and X dash and Y dash, or MN, you may say MN, perpendicular bisector MN. It cuts BD at point A. Okay, draw perpendicular bisector of DC. You get point A. Join AC. This is the required triangle ABC. BD is equal to 13. Now justification. So something in justification. So BD is equal to 13 centimeter. AB plus AD. Divide AB plus, BA plus AD. Okay, AB also. AB plus AD is equal to 13 centimeter. AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to AC. AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. So this was the condition. AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. This has happened due to this quality only, AD and AC, because theorem, this perpendicular bisector, AD and AC will be equal. Just write perpendicular bisector. So the third condition holds. So it is justification. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed. So keep watching. Thank you.